This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Caroline Bahadourian. Great opportunity to own income-producing property in Port Salerno, voted one of the best little fishing towns in America. Walking distance to the waterfront restaurants, bars, manatee pocket, boat ramp and outdoor activities. This duplex was completely renovated and is not rented.it is waiting for you to generate income.New kitchen with Quartz countertop, all impact windows, permitted air conditioner, comes with a 10 years warranty. Each unit features a kitchen with dining area, a full bathroom and a bedroom.Beautiful private backyard with mini mature trees.Metal roof, 2017 septic to sewer conversion coming soon. For more information, review the details below.